In this video, we will show you how to boost a post on LinkedIn websites. Boost a post on LinkedIn websites have benefits, namely, we can drive people to our landing page or our websites. The number second, we can get brand awareness on our product, of course. And the number three, we can get more interaction, follower, or comment to our page. In here, we show you we have one page in LinkedIn, for example, and we can push a post on LinkedIn website by scroll down and see where is your post that you want to boost. In here, for example, I want to boost post for this. Okay, this is about best label printer for Amazon FBA, and I want to get the traffic for this landing page. To boost a post, we can just click this boost button, and I suggest you are using LinkedIn for desktop rather than using for mobile phone. Okay, I will click boost button here, and we will redirect it into boost post page in here. And you can see here, you can select objective. This is why you need to push your post here. For example, you can select drive traffic to our landing page, increase awareness, and get engagements for our post. In here, I want to drive this boost post into my landing page or my websites. And in the second, we can also select audience. Okay, you have for now is based on profile base or interest base, LinkedIn audience template, or saved audience. Okay, this is the target people you want to see your post. If you want more focus, for example, about the job and industry, you can just select profile based. But for your note, if you choose this, it will change this detail in here. For example, if we select profile base, in here there is company, industries, job seniorities, and this is the option. If we change into interest base, you can see the option also change. Okay, for example, let's select interest base. Okay, and this is the location. You can add the location if you want. For example, Poland. Okay, and you can have more than one the locations, and select the profile language. You can select English. Okay, for example, here you can also select member groups. Okay, for example, about project management, for example, you can just select who you want to focus for targeting the people. Okay, you can also exclude the people in here and set a start and end date. This is, I think, the most important when your campaigns of the post will be available. Okay, I will set tomorrow and until 19, for example, and you can also set lifetime budget. In here, you need to select the account to bill. You can also using your profile or just your page. I select my page in here. After you click a boost in here, you will redirect it into the payment method. In here, I will try to click boost in here. In here, you need to add the payment method. You can using credit or debit card number, and you can also apply the coupon if you have. After that, you can click review the order, and your order will be done here. And that's all tutorial how to boost a post on LinkedIn website. Hope this video helpful for you.